It was quite a journey to actually get on this rock to show you this plant, but it was worth it. This is called rock harlequin. In my state, this is a ranked species. It's not endangered, but it's definitely a watch list. And as you can see, it likes to grow on rocks. It's pretty dry up on this rock as well. There's a lot of lichen going on. But it's a real treat to find this in bloom. I have not seen this in bloom yet this season. And I just love the combination of pink and yellow. But it's growing all along here.